So, in the SONA 2025, President Marcos proudly announced that patients in DOH hospitals no longer need to pay for stroke, breast cancer, kidney transplant, and similar illnesses thanks to a zero balance billing policy. That's the brand name, no? Political brand name, zero balance billing policy. It sounds free. Tunog parang wala na tayong babayaran, wala na kayong babayaran. But the truth of the matter is that it's far more expensive than you think. And as a certified financial planner, and the one who popularized LCIF dito sa Pilipinas, I teach that wellness, no, yung health, and finance, personal finance to be exact, are directly linked. Sinabi ko na to over and over sa inyo noon na yung personal wellness at personal finance, hindi yan magkaiba. They are partners, no? Sabi ko sa inyo, magkatuwang, magkapatid, mag-asawa o kung ano man ang gusto nyong i-term. Yang dalawang yan, personal wellness at personal finance. And both subjects, both topics are the topics that I share to you guys almost every single day for almost 20 years. Okay? For almost 20 years. So, here's the evidence-based breakdown, no? Nung zero billing policy, zero balance billing policy na yan. Para hindi kayo magulat, lalo na yung mga ayaw sumunod sa LCIF. So if kayo yung tipo ng tao na ayaw sumunod sa LCIF, ayaw nyong gawin ng LCIF, whether kung ano man yung rason nyo, o kung may mga kakilala kayo na ayaw gawin ng LCIF, please listen to this Go Live. No, please listen to this Go Live. I don't do Go Lives as often as before. So, i-treasure nyo tong Go Live na to. Listen to this. The 5 key truths behind the zero balance billing.